Should you buy XRP now? Ripple is looking to acquire Circle, the issuer of the second-largest stablecoin USDC. The deal is said to be worth more than $5 billion, partly in XRP and partly in cash. Let's discuss the details and what this means for XRP holders. But before we do that, please make sure to get your free crypto assets and to smash up that like button. First, let's talk about this $5 billion bid from Ripple. Ripple is reportedly looking to acquire Circle, the issuer of the second-largest stablecoin USDC with a market cap of $60 billion. This would be a huge deal for Ripple, especially considering they just acquired the prime broker Mataco for $1.2 billion. If this deal goes through, it would give Ripple an instant boost in the stablecoin market, helping it challenge the likes of USDT and USDC. The interesting thing is that Coinbase is also a long-term partner of Circle, and they're also reportedly interested in acquiring Circle. They too have expressed interest in buying Circle. As such, they will likely be a bidder for Circle as well. So there will be some competition between these two companies, but why does Ripple want Circle in the first place? Well, it would instantly strengthen its stablecoin market position. It would allow them to expand into regulated European markets because USDC is compliant with MiCA, the markets in crypto assets regulation. And 3, it would help boost XRP usage. More USDC transactions on the XRP ledger means more burned XRP, which could drive up its price. It would also gain access to Circle's infrastructure, clients, and revenue. Circle earned $1.68 billion in revenue and $156 million in net profit in 2024. In terms of XRP price, it recently broke out of a downtrend, but short-term, the indicators MACD, RSI, and OBV are suggesting a period of consolidation around current levels. There is support seen at 2.0. Further downside cannot be ruled out toward 2.0. But long-term, the potential remains, especially if Ripple successfully acquires Circle. Speaking of potential, there's growing institutional momentum behind XRP. The CME Group launched XRP Futures, which opens the door for more institutional investors to gain exposure to XRP. This strengthens XRP's profile as a regulated asset and could lay the groundwork for a future XRP ETF. However, even if the Circle deal fails, Ripple is still making progress. With its own stablecoin, Ripple USD is now up to $300 million in market cap. Ripple Payments is also gaining traction in the Middle East with new clients like Zand Bank and Mamo. In conclusion, the Circle takeover could be a game-changer for Ripple, but it faces resistance from Coinbase, who are also interested in acquiring Circle. Despite this, Ripple's growth in the institutional markets and stablecoin infrastructure positions XRP for long-term upside. Moreover, a successful acquisition of Circle would shift more USDC activity to Ripple's ledger, which could benefit XRP price significantly. Keep an eye on this deal and other developments in the XRP ecosystem, as they will likely impact XRP price in the coming months. Now, before you go, make sure to subscribe to not miss any videos in the future. Thanks for watching.